how to log in to John Lewis account. So if you want to log in to your John Lewis account, then first open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Go for the search bar and search for John Lewis. Once you've searched, you can go for the first search, which is www.johnlewis.com. And now you can go for sign in, which is on the upper right. Click on the sign in. And now to sign into your account, you can simply enter your email on the first blank. But if you don't have an account, then you can go for create an account so that you can create one. But if you already have one account and if you want to sign in, then enter your email address, and here on the next blank, enter your password. But if you need some help with your password, or if you forgot your password, then you can go for need help with password. And then you can go for reset my password, or you can choose email me a secure link to log in, so that you will get a link to log into your account. Or you can also reset your password. But if you remember your password, then simply enter it here. And once you've entered, click on sign in. And once you click on sign in, it will sign into your account. So that's how you sign into your account on John Lewis. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.